People ask me what I'm doing. This is what I'm doing today. My new Cat D3 next gen. Backfilling a foundation here. One sweet ride today. One thing, when you backfill on a foundation, you always go forward, back on it. You never go sideways. You never run your machine sideways against the wall of a foundation or cave in. Even a poured wall will crack, push on you. So as you can see, I'm working my material up and then pushing it in vertically. And you push it in easy, light. As you push it in, you raise your blade up, like right here. Raise my blade up, let it fall down in easy there. That's how you do that. The crazy thing is, people pay me to do this. I'd do it for free if I didn't have to have money. Not many people go to work and actually love what they do for a living, but I do. This is the XL model. It's not the it's the 20-inch track. It's not the LGP, which is better for us around here in all the tight spots and in the woods. We get grading. We don't need that low ground pressure around here. All this hard ground we're on. Turns and steers better too than an LGP. Tears up less ground when you're fine grading too.